How to fix Roblox upgrade error. To do this, first of all, open your settings, scroll down and find developer options. Tap on it and scroll down. Find allow skin overlays on setting. Toggle on. Tap on it. Go back and open again setting option. Scroll down and find apps option. Tap on it. Tap on search bar. Search for Roblox. Tap on it. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK and scroll up. Tap on permissions. Make sure all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen. After that, go to Play Store. Tap on search bar. Search for Roblox. Tap on it. Roblox is update. Tap on it. Just wait. Go back and restart your phone. After that, reopen your Roblox apps. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.